Hi, this is Mark DeLeese with Tube Conquest. Tube Conquest is my premier traffic and marketing suite for YouTube. If you're not familiar with this, YouTube is huge and it has millions and millions of eyeballs that are visiting that website each and every day, also watching YouTube videos on other people's websites, everything from Facebook, Twitter, blogs, you name it. YouTube is huge, not only in the search engines, but also in the social media websites and also in the blogging, any type of website. Just to give you some stats, and I got these stats from YouTube itself. These are the most current stats. Currently, there are over 800 million unique visitors each and every month. It's huge. There are over 4 billion hours of video that are watched per month on YouTube. 72 hours of video is uploaded every minute. In 2011 alone, YouTube had over 1 trillion views. That's just huge. You think Facebook is huge. Look at this. Look at the YouTubes that are playing on Facebook. There's 500 years of YouTube video is watched every day on Facebook. And you think of Twitter. Oh, look at what's going on with YouTubes. There are over 700 YouTube videos that are shared on Twitter each and every minute. Wow. Talk about traffic. More than 50% of videos on YouTube have been rated or include comments from the community. This means that people that watch YouTubes, they have accounts at YouTube, they are users, they subscribe, they favorite, they like. Just like Facebook or Twitter, things are shared. People are engaging in the community. YouTube is like a social network. It's a community. And this is proof that people are engaged in this community, and there's lots of traffic, there's lots of visitors, there's lots of business and interaction being done just on YouTube. There's people that make full-time incomes just on YouTube alone. In fact, if you look at YouTube, there's over 100 million people take a social action on YouTube. And this is staggering. Traffic from mobile devices tripled in 2011. YouTube is so mobile devices friendly. It's so friendly that it works with pretty much every mobile device out there, which means whether you have an iPhone or an Android or an iPad or anything else like that, you're able to watch YouTube videos on that mobile device. It works great. Now, Tube Conquest is my lethal traffic and marketing suite to conquer YouTube and bring a lot of traffic, bring a lot of views, bring a lot of visitors to your offers, from your offers to your websites. And the first component of this is a new software that I created. It's called Tube Maker Pro. What this does is that it creates niche videos literally in seconds, using a push button content creation technology. All you need to do is simply enter in a keyword, choose which site you want to get curated content from, and in 20 seconds or less, you have a great video ready to upload to YouTube. Now, just watch this video and see exactly how it works. Now watch how fast this software takes to create a really nice video. You have your first frame slide right here. You put your company name or logo in here. This can be an image or text with a background color that you select. Then you have a last video frame that you can upload a logo, or you can use text with a background color. So you have a first and last slide that offers your company information. Then down here you have a footer text. This footer text will go throughout the entirety of the entire video, and you can put your domain in the footer text of the entire video. Here you go to settings and you select which video size you want. If you want 1280 by 720, different sizes, HD and so forth. And then you select right here your background of, there's going to be a number of slides, and what background color do you want? You know, gray or yellow or green or what have you. I have gray in there. Then you set the seconds. I want 4 seconds to be the first frame. I want 4 seconds to be the last frame. And then the middle frames, it'll be 3 seconds per frame. Then here, you got your fonts. This is for the titles. You got your first frame titles and the last frame titles. And here's where you set your fonts, any font that you want from your computer, the size of the font, for your footer, your subtitle, your titles, and so forth. All right? That's so your fonts and your font sizes. Now, once that's done, so your first slide is done, your end slide is done, it has all your company information and your footer throughout it, then you need to select where you want to get your images from. What it's going to do is going to take a number of images and create a slide video presentation and add audio to it. And you can take images from your hard drive. You simply just click on this folder here and select the folder where your images are, and bam, it'll create a video. Then, or check this out. All you need to do is click on this right here and enter a keyword, and it'll go to Pinterest and it'll grab a number of images that you can automatically add into a video presentation. Let me give you an example. Images count. Let's say I'll grab 15 images, and I'm going to grab images from, let's see, Princess Diana. And I click on Image Collector, and you can see it's scanning from images, and boom, it grabbed 15 images from Pinterest about Princess Diana. And you can manipulate this. You can go here and you can delete that one and rearrange them, move them up and down, and so forth. So just grab images from Pinterest. Or I can grab images from Google Picasa. So I can click on here and click on Princess Diana and click on Image Collector, and I can clear all and refresh. Now it's going to Google Picasa, and it's going to grab images about Princess Diana. Okay, watch this, and there they are. You see that? It's grabbed them from Google Picasa. So I can take some of these. I don't like that one, so I can delete that one, and so forth, and I can create my slide presentation. Isn't that great? Now, get this, I'm not done yet. Or you can go to Amazon products. If you're selling Amazon products, it'll go to Amazon and it'll download a bunch of products about whatever keyword that you want to put in there. You know, for example, something that I just purchased, Climb. These are Climb jackets. They're snowmobile jackets. So I just bought some jackets. They're about $300 a piece, and they sell them at Amazon. So if I go to Image Collection, if I click on Clear All and refresh, it's going to go to Amazon and get a bunch of product images of Climb jackets. Watch this. And I can do a video on jackets. And of course, if I'm an affiliate for Amazon, I can point that traffic to my blog that sells clothing and winter wear. You can see that it's working in the background, and there it is. See that? So it's grabbed a bunch of product images from Amazon on Climb jackets. These things sell for about $300, $400 a piece, some of the more expensive ones. So there's a lot of commissions, a lot of stuff being made. All right, so that's the Amazon, how that works. Now, check this out. Now I got to add audio to it. So I can go to the audio file, and I can add a audio. It can be an MP3, a WMA, or FLAC, and I can add a audio file to this presentation. Or, okay, I hope you're sitting down here. Or, once again, you can enter in a keyword right here. I mean, it could be an artist, any artist. It can add any sound, any music, and it'll go to soundcloud.com and it'll find that music and add it to the video. Watch how powerful this is. So watch this. I'm going to type in Rolling Stones, one of my old favorites, and Satisfaction song, all right? It's a popular one. Satisfaction. There you go. So that's the name of the song. And then you click on Sound Collection, and you can see it's going to start downloading a whole bunch. And if I don't like this list, what I can do is I can click on Refresh, and it'll start all over again to start processing, new songs, more songs. So you'll see the list start to fill up. The Rolling Stone Satisfaction. Now sometimes you have to go through them because sometimes one is a karaoke, or another one, might be a remix. And so you can simply just go through them and see which one that you like. And how this works is that it's going to add 12 of them to this list. You can put how many you want to count right here, 1 or 12 or what have you. It's going to grab 12 of them, and the one that's on top is the one that's going to be added to the slide presentation. So for example, which one do I want to try? Satisfaction Disco Remix. Let's see here. Let's try the Rolling Stones Satisfaction. So what I need to do is click on Move Selected to the top, and this will be the one that'll play first. If this one is only 10 seconds long, then it'll move to the second one, and I can move this one up. See, a row up. See that? Or a row up right here. So then it'll play this one second if this one's only 10 seconds and so forth. But just for illustration purposes, that's all you got to do. It's going to add the Rolling Stones Satisfaction song to this slide presentation, and it's got a first and last closing title clip. All right? So here I can save it. Let's save it as I got the keyword in Climb jackets. All right? and I can save the file as, I can click on this and I can save it as a AVI, MOV, MPG, MP4, FLE, or Windows Media file. And so I can just save it right here, or I can just name it right here, MP4 or AVI, and just click on Create Video. When you've named the file, click on Create Video, and it'll do its thing. Watch this. And it's really, really fast. It's already up to 75% already. Boom, it's done. So to get a sampling of this, all you can need to do is simply open up the directory, and it'll give you the file. It'll give you the video right here to play, or you can just click on the play button and it'll play it right here. See that? So let me just pause this. This is the video, and this is just illustration purposes. It's got the climb jackets, it's got my domain name. Now I can change the font here. I can put that, bigger, different color, whatever. So it's going to add the title clip. Here's the title clip. My company name, logo, I can put that as an image or what have you. And at the very end, it's got another image. I can time this to a number of seconds. This is just an illustration. Watch this. So you get the idea. I mean, in a matter of seconds. And if I want to add another video, if I want to make another video, I can have another keyword. I can simply add a few more images in there, make it a little bit longer, a different keyword, and click Create Video. And in a matter of seconds, I got a second video with a different file name, with a different file, with a different length, and Google and YouTube will not know that it's the same video. And I can just upload new keywords and get more dominance in the search engines with my videos. So this is powerful, my friends, very powerful. And I give a number of strategies that you can use this using Google Trends, other niche topics that you can do. And I do more training on more strategies to learn how to drive more traffic to your websites using YouTube. Thank you, Mark DeLeese.